Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in the pound yen, I still think this first uptrend is an A. I still think this is very clearly three waves down for a B. I think this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I still don't even see that the wave 3 is over, and I still think we're going to have to make a wave 4, which would last about 6 months or more, and eventually go back up for a wave 5. I still think this is all an ABC. I think that this is a wave C. I think this is all one big ABC, and I still think it needs to take out the high of wave A, probably end up all the way up to about the 204 area at the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of wave B to finish off this trend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where you can start to see the subdivisions, because this is a 1 and a 2, but then I also think you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So we possibly are in the wave 5 of 3 now, but no breaker structure to the downside, no Fibonacci bounce, no lower high. I would definitely still be looking for longs. I think it's potentially going to end up looking something like that. Finish off a wave 3, eventually make a wave 4, and make a wave 5, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely got a very impulsive move down, but even this never broke any structure, didn't make a lower high. I think there's a good chance it probably is going to make a correction that will last at least a few days, maybe even a week or two. But I still am very bullish, and I'm definitely still looking for longs in a uptrend. Now going down to the 4 hour time frame, I think this is very, very clearly a downtrend right here, probably a wave A. I think we probably are going to start a move to the upside, which will most likely be a correction to this move down, which would be a wave B. Eventually it'll probably go down again to touch the 61.8 or the 78.6, make a wave C, before it does end up continuing back up for the continuation of the uptrend. So depending on what time frames you're trading, you could definitely be looking for shorts at the end of the wave B. If you're a scalper, you could definitely be trading long inside this wave B on shorter time frames. The trade that I'm definitely waiting for is the end of this whole correction to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move. I think this is very, very clearly a downtrend. I think it's probably a wave A. We do have a breaker structure up now, so you could potentially, like I said, if you're a scalper, you could be looking for longs. I think we're now going to make a correction to this move down, which should be a wave B. It seems like the most likely place could be the 50 or even the 61.8 before it actually goes down and makes that bigger wave C. So like I said, if you are a scalper, you could be looking for longs on like a very short time frame. If you're more of a day trader, you could be waiting to go short at the end of this wave B, and then you could get out of your short at the end of the wave C and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here below in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.